In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can publish your Shopify store. I don't know why Shopify doesn't show the people that use Shopify how to do that, because that's the most important thing. Now, I'm going to tell you guys how you can publish your Shopify store. You just want to click on online store here in the left. Okay, and then click on preferences. And here you can see here homepage title. Now you have to add the title. As you can see, it says here the description help define how your store shows up on search engines. So this title will be visible when people are searching for your Shopify on Google. Okay, for example, add here the title, and after that, guys, you have to add the description. Okay, so that you can get, as it says here, enter a description to get a better ranking on search engines like Google. Okay, if you have like a one product store, just say something that, like, any keywords that talk about the products that you have on your Shopify store. Okay, you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, scroll down a little bit and find something that says here password protection. As you can see, it says here password protection. So what you need to do, guys, you want to disable this. So for me it's grayed out, so I can't click on it because I am not paying for a Shopify plan. But for you, because you are paying for Shopify plan, you just want to delete that password and then uncheck this. Okay, uncheck this, and then what you need to do, guys, after you do this, you want to click on save in the top right, and congratulations, you have successfully published your Shopify store, and people now can find you on Google search engines. And if this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.